What this command does, this will first train your model and then start an interactive shell session. So by using this session, you can then correct your assistant prediction by simply saying that yes or no. Let's type this interactive command. Okay, it also gives a visualization server to you. If you go into this URL, then you will find that how your model will behaving, and you can just type your input. This will frame our whole storyline for you. Let's say the user say hi, then your bot say your NLU model classify hi with intent greet and there are no entities in that. Is this correct? So it will ask you a question that it is correct or not. If you satisfy with the result, then you can say yes, and if you won't satisfy with the result, then you can say no. I satisfy with the result and I say yes. It also gives you a chat history that what bot will say and what you will say. Bot will now trigger the action underscore list function and you just say hi. Now bot asks to you that the bot wants to run utter underscore greet. Is this correct? You'll say yes, this is correct. Now bot wants to ask the he wants to run action underscore listen. Correct? Yes. Now one story is completed. It asks you that you will give another story. Then if you say I want to book a bus ticket of 3 people for 3 people. Now your RASA NLU classifies this is bot challenge and RASA asks you that there is entity in this or not, then I will say the RASA is predicting wrong and I will say no. Then RASA gives the list of intent, so you can just press the enter whatever intent you like to give, and if you want to create a new intent, then go into create new intent and press enter. Then it will say please type the intent name. I'll say order and please mark the entities using this type of frame. So I will say uh, my bus is service and this is person count. My 3 will be a person count entity. That's it, and I press enter. So you can give a gist about it, that how it is working on, and it will append all your training data into your data directory. So I just press entering Control C. I want to stop it, and you will say export and quit. This will ask you that export stories. If file exists, then it will append your training data into this directory. I press enter. Now if you look at your nlu.yml file, you will see there one more intent is appended. One more story is created. Now let's move our next CLI command. One more thing about this RASA interactive is that if you want to check what are the different CLI command you can use with interactive, then simply say RASA interactive and dash dash help. It will show a list of commands that you can use with RASA interactive. Okay, now move towards our next CLI command, which is your RASA shell.